Hi everyone, Steve here from Imperial Light and Magic. I've been having quite a lot of problems, like I know many of you have, because I get quite a lot of people asking for help and support with the USB host shields for building the Padawan 360 system. These are all correctly soldered up, and I've bought different boards from different manufacturers. You can see, for example, this one here, the central main processor chip hasn't got the sticking out legs, as I call them, but that one does, and those do, and I've been trying it with Unos and Megas and all sorts, and I've been getting very, very frustrated because I've not actually been able to get a fully working solution that I'm happy with, yeah, it's been frustrating me for ages. So I decided to try a different route, and what I've done is I went and bought an Arduino Mega ADK. Now, the ADK board, you can see it says ADK, is a developer kit. So basically what it actually does is it comes with additional features, one of which is it comes with a USB port. So I thought, well, you know, maybe the onboard USB will do away with a USB host shield. This is just being powered off a battery pack for the moment. So this has got a version of the sketch on that for the Mega that I use. It's tweaked ever so slightly just for my own sort of personal use, shall we say. I've got a few things on there that I use for, like a Maestro, for example. And also just for fun, I thought I'd try a PC gaming receiver, non-genuine Microsoft receiver. And you never guess what? It only flipping works. So as you can see, if I click down on the sticks, it works absolutely great. So also, just to kind of prove the point, I'm just going to power that off for the moment. I'll unplug the generic USB receiver, stick in a genuine Microsoft one. Let's plug that in, try and do this all one-handed. So what this will do obviously is break the pairing between the transmitter and the receiver. Okay, that's in. So now we'll plug that back into the battery. Okay, so that's now come to life, and as you'd expect, the transmitter now doesn't know anything about the receiver. So if I push start, nothing happens, and this is probably what you're seeing if you're having these same sort of issues. So nothing happening, the two aren't talking to each other. So if you push and hold the button on there, push and hold the button on the back of there, within a couple of seconds, boom, we're connected, as you can see. So we're now talking to this receiver puck over here. Say this one's a genuine Microsoft. The one I was using before is an old one I've had kicking around. You can tell by the sort of tape marks and things on it. This one's been used in a couple of different droids. So yeah, use an ADK. That's the easy answer. They are a little bit more expensive than just an Arduino Mega, but I think it's actually cheaper than buying a Mega and a shield as two separate things. Anyway, I hope that is useful. I wish everyone an extremely Merry Christmas. I'm really, really pleased that this worked. So I thought I would share it with the rest of the population. Okay, take care everyone. Speak to you soon. Happy Christmas. Bye for now.